Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And today in this video we are going to fix camera missing in device manager on Windows 10 or 11 computer. So we will be performing very simple step and make sure you follow all the steps. So at the very first, on the left hand side, click on the start menu. Just do a right click on the start icon and go to device manager. Now in the device manager, select on the top one, which is actually a computer name, and then go to view menu and show hidden devices. See if your camera is there or not. So your camera can be here or it can be in the imaging device as well. So look for something which is related imaging device in your device manager. If it's there, well and good. If it's not, we will move on the next step, and the next step is we need to select the computer. Then we need to go to action, and here click on scan for hardware changes. So once you click on hardware changes, just observe that your camera or any other device has been added or not. So look for the camera or at the bottom, see if there is any question mark for the particular driver or the hardware. So if it's there, then just do a right click on that if you find that question mark and update it to the driver. If it's not showing anything, we will go to add license hardware. So once we go to action, click on add license hardware, then click on next, and here we have selected the automatic one. So I will click on next and see if it's working for you or not. If it is does not work for you, we will go again back and do the manual way. Show action and add license again, then click on next and install the hardware. That I manually select from the list, and here select the camera and then click on next. After that, here you will find the manufacturer. So if it's an inbuilt camera, select the Microsoft default one, or if it's an external camera, you can select from the manufacturer, and just I have to click on next. So that's the manual thing. If it's still not working, look for the imagine here, imagine device, and then click on next and look for the camera, the USB scanner, like that. After that, click on next and restart your computer. See if it's working for you or not. I hope it's work for you, but in case if it does not work, then let me know in the comment section. I will try my best to fix your problem. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.